Alright, we're going to see how this actually folds down nicely while I still have a project on it. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is loosen the warp, because we do want it to be able to move freely enough. And actually, I will do it this way so that we can move the warp forward. Alright, so the question, okay, I am going to leave that open so that it can move however it needs to. And the first thing we do is pull these on either side out so that this folds down. As you can see, it's just a hook there. And we're going to move this forward a little bit. And then these pieces loosen up a little bit. There's another one on the other side. I have too much stuff on my desk. There we go. They should loosen up enough, should being the key word, so that this entire castle lifts and slides. Not enough. There we go. That's good. There we go. And it loosens up and it all slides forward onto the warp. And then you tighten it back up and go in opposite directions, which is fun. I'm going to unclip these. These are what actually holds my pattern. They're just clips that I got, so I have them clipped to the back, and then they hold my pattern up for me, so that I know what I'm doing. All right, then I'm going to flip this, that's pretty good for tight. There we go. And we're just going to hold that like that. And I think it's fun. You can see how I have this all laid out. And as long as these are tightened down and this is where it's supposed to be, you just lift the whole thing up. Note to self, clean underneath of your your loom every once in a while. This is all from one project. The one that's on it. One. That's it. So there you have it. It's kind of nice. It's got these little feet on the bottom so that I can set it on the floor, and it has something to set on without damaging the wood.